Now we have set up the keys inside that env file .env file. Now let's move on, and now let's deploy our smart contract on Goerli network. Here it is. Okay, so we got an error. uh, Platform Min32 compatible. Let's see. What's the issue here? Are we missing something? Let me solve it. Well, it says that uh, this module didn't find it. Let's run it. Let's add this module. Let's deploy it again. Okay, great. We have deployed our smart contracts on Goerli network successfully. So let's see. We can check it on Goerli.etherscan.io. Yes, here it is. We have just deployed a smart contract. There it is, and we have used this address in order to deploy our smart contract. Here it is. Yes. Excuse me. So we have deployed our smart contract. If you run into any error here, for example, I highly recommend. So we have solved all the errors and we have deployed our smart contract. So that's the smart contract address. Now just put it in a file so we can use it later. Here we have seen it on Ethers.js also. Before we move on to the front website portion of the tutorial, let's prepare one more script that we'll want to use later, that is withdraw.js script. Let's do it.